In this video, I'll show you how to easily create a personal finance budgeting spreadsheet in Google Sheets to manage your monthly finances. First, we'll create the headers: expenditure, budget, and the months from January to December. Next, add all your monthly outgoings and the budgeted amount for each item. Format the numbers as currency by selecting all the cells except the top row and left column. Then click the currency symbol. Your local currency symbol should show here. To save time, I'll paste in the other expenditure items. Now we need a row for the total. In this cell, type the equals sign. If a suggestion appears, ignore it. I'll show you how to input exactly what you need. Type sum and open brackets. Click on the first figure, which is for the mortgage, and drag down to the last figure, which is for miscellaneous items. Release the mouse button, then close the brackets. Next, we need to add a section for income. Add the title, then list each income item as we did with the expenditure. Again, we need a total. Click the equals sign, type sum, and open brackets. Click on the first income figure and drag down to the last figure in this section. Release the mouse button, then close the brackets. Next, we need to create a balance row so you can see if you've overspent or if you have money spare at the end of the month. Type balance as the item. In the next cell, type equals sum, open brackets, then click on the total figure for the income. Click the minus sign, then click on the total figure for the expenditure. Then close the brackets. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps my channel. We need to copy these formulas for each month. Click on the cell with the total expenditure formula. It'll be outlined in blue with a circle in the bottom right corner. Hover over the circle until your cursor turns into a cross. Then click and drag it across to the December column. Repeat this for the income total and balance. If we add some figures to the January column, you'll see that it changes the totals that we've just created for each month. Finally, make the spreadsheet more user-friendly. Make the first column wider by hovering your cursor between columns A and B until it becomes a cross. Then click and drag to the right to expand the column. Adjust the heading and total rows to be bold with a darker background. Click on the row number to highlight it, then click the background icon and choose a colour. Click the bold icon. Repeat it for the other rows. Your simple budget spreadsheet is now complete. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. I'd also love to know what else you'd like to learn in Google Sheets, so please leave a comment too.